Did you know some wild zoo animals form the cutest and most unexpected friendships? In this fun and educational video, we'll show you real zoo animals that play, eat, and even nap together like best friends. Get ready to smile as you learn amazing facts about how animals build bonds just like humans do. Beetles have armor-like shells that protect their soft bodies underneath. Beetles can be super strong, lifting objects over 100 times their own weight. Beetles live almost everywhere, from jungles to deserts, except the ocean. Beetles help clean the environment by feeding on dead plants and animals. Beetles breathe through tiny holes on their sides instead of using lungs. Bears are big and strong mammals that live in forests, mountains, and snowy places around the world. There are 8 different types of bears, including the grizzly bear, polar bear, black bear, and panda bear. Most bears love to eat both plants and meat, which makes them omnivores. Their diet can include berries, fish, insects, and honey. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Zebra's stripes are not only beautiful, but also help them stay cool in the heat and confuse predators by blending together in groups. Zebra lives in Africa and is usually found in grasslands, savannas, and mountainous areas. Hippopotamuses are one of the largest land animals. Only elephants and rhinos are bigger. Even though they live in water, hippos can't actually swim. They walk or bounce along the bottom of rivers and lakes. Hippos spend most of their day in water to keep cool under the hot sun. Their skin can get sunburned, so water helps protect them. Hippos have huge mouths that can open up to 150 degrees wide. They also have big teeth that can grow over 1 foot long. Cockroaches can live without their heads. For up to a week, they only die because they can't drink water. Cockroaches are super fast, running up to 3 miles per hour to escape danger. Cockroaches can squeeze into tiny cracks thanks to their flat, flexible bodies. Cockroaches can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes and survive underwater for half an hour. Gorillas are the largest primates and share about 98% of their DNA with humans. Gorillas live in countries like Uganda, Rwanda, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Cameroon. Gorillas can learn sign language, use tools, and show emotions like grief, joy, and empathy. Male gorillas are much larger than females and can reach heights of 5.5 to 6 feet. Giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, with some reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes have spots on their bodies, and no 2 giraffes have the same pattern. Their spots are like fingerprints. Giraffes have a blue-black tongue that is about 18 inches, 45 centimeters long, which helps them reach high leaves without getting sunburned. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Tiger has orange fur with black stripes, and no two tigers have the same stripe pattern. Each one is unique like a fingerprint. Tiger is a carnivore, which means it eats meat. It hunts animals like deer, wild boar, and even buffalo. Tiger lives alone and likes to hunt and roam in its own territory, which it marks with scratches and scent. Polar bear is the largest land carnivore in the world. Polar bear is found mainly in the Arctic regions, like Canada, Alaska, Russia, and Greenland. Polar bear is known for seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. Polar bear is protected in many countries due to its declining population. Elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, with African elephants being the biggest species, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants like grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. They can eat up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, of food in one day. Elephants have a strong sense of smell. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans over 15,000 years ago. Dogs are as smart as a 2 to 3-year-old human child. They can understand up to 250 words and gestures. They can read human emotions. They recognize sadness, happiness, anger, and even lying. Thanks for watching our wild animal adventure. If you enjoyed seeing these adorable zoo friendships, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a fun learning video. We have more amazing animal facts and surprises coming soon. See you in the next one.